Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install WPS Office in your laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google WPS Office. We will be having the official link saying WPS Office free download. Click it. We will be having the AI powered office suite for everyone and along with the free download option. So just click on it. So the setup file will be getting downloaded. It is just about 5.5 MB in size, and open it and we'll be getting the WPS Office installer. So here we are having custom settings. Click it, and in case if you want to change the language, you can change it, and in case if you want to change the installation location also, you can change it. By default it is going to get installed in local disk C, and apart from that, here we are having some default openings of certain format of files using WPS Office. If you want to uncheck any of these, you can do that. I am fine with these, and click on hide. Now just click on install now after checking this, and the installation process will begin. Just be patient till then. So once it is done, we will be getting this pop-up saying WPS Office has finished the installation, and apart from that, we are also having this WPS recommended saying 360 total security. So if you want that to get installed, you can just check this, or else just uncheck this and click on start later, and we will be having the WPS Office shortcut. Open it. So we are having the free version of WPS along with the pro version also. If you want to get the pro version, you can just get it. I am fine with the free version. I will just close it, and we can close this also, and that's it. We are into the home interface of WPS Office. If you want to sign in, you can do that, or else if you want a new file, you can go to new and then try creating a Word document, a PowerPoint, a Excel sheet, or a PDF. So that's basically up to you. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.